Hi, everybody. It's Miss Kara.
And Stella.
Okay.
Today is Friday.
Okay, there we go. Okay, Stella. Today we're going to review some of the wonder words you've already learned, and you're going to learn 2 more wonder words. What are you going to learn?
2 more wonder words.
All right. Remember, we use wonder words very frequently, but they're not spelled the way we think they should be spelled, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to learn them by understanding what they mean and linking them to the words that we do know how to spell sometimes. Oh. Yes.
When this is the sign from Link in Miss Weimer's class.
Link, that means link? Oh, awesome. Love it. So these are the wonder word cards we've already discussed. And I'm going to use a wonder word in a sentence. I want you to repeat the word and then practice spelling it out loud. That means you name the graphemes. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Yesterday, it was sunny outside. Where's was? Okay, and how do you spell that?
W-A-S.
Excuse me, what's the word?
Was.
Awesome. Ready for the next one?
Yes.
The next word is theirs. The umbrella is mine, not theirs. Where would that word be?
Theirs.
Ah, how do you spell theirs?
T-H-E-I-R-S.
T-H-E-I-R-S. Excellent job. What's the word?
Theirs.
And the next word is of. The bucket was full of water. Of. Where's of? A lot of times it sounds like full of water. Not on this card, not on this card. It's on this card. Do you see it? How do you spell of?
O-F.
O-F. Very good. All right. Good review. So remember, if we're not sure how to spell any of those words that we've learned, we can always look at the card. Okay. So here's another card that we're going to talk about today. It says an, any, many. Okay. You already know the articles and an.
Yes.
If they both refer to one of something. If I say, do you have a fish? Right? I'm asking you, do you have one fish? Right? Mm-hmm. If I say, do you have an orange fish? I have to change to an because orange starts with a vowel. Yes. Okay, so and we've already talked about those. I'm asking if you have one of something. Now I could say, though, also, or I could say, do you have any fish? Do you have any fish? Yes. You do? So here I'm asking something a little bit different. I'm saying, do you have any number of fish? Do you have any fish? Do you have 10? Okay, there you go. All right. Any is spelled A-N-Y. How's it spelled?
A-N-Y.
You notice it has an A-N in it, just like this word has an A-N, right? So any.
Any.
Okay, good. How do you spell any?
A-N-Y.
Okay, now what if I said, do you have many fish? Do you have many fish?
Yes.
So there I'm asking you if you have more than one fish. It's kind of a way of asking you, do you have more than one? Do you have more than one? If I say many, do you have many? How is many spelled?
M-A-N-Y.
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 What's the word?
Many.
Do we use these words a lot when we're reading or when we're speaking and reading and writing?
Yes.
Yeah, we do. And, any, and many. And they're all kind of related in what they mean. Okay, that's why we study them together. Speaking of which, let's do some circling on our function word chart.
Okay.
As you can see, we've already circled an, and the. Would you like to use my pen?
Sure.
What color?
Let's do red.
Red? Okay. So, it's already on red. Good. So now we need to circle, what's this word?
Any.
Do you see how it's coming off of the arrow from an, A-N, right?
Yes.
So if I want to spell any, I can remember how to spell an, A-N.
Yeah.
And how do I spell any?
A-N-Y.
Good. Circle it. And now what's this word?
Many.
Many. It's kind of related to these words, which is why it's in the same box. How do you spell many?
A-N-Y.
M-A-N-Y. Any and many rhyme, don't they? Yeah. So circle many. All right. And this is going to be added now to our collection of, move your arm, please. To our collection of wonder word cards. Look at all these cool cards that we've studied. So let's try a couple more.
Okay.
If I'm trying to say that this is your shirt, right? How do I spell your?
You
Y-O-U-R.
can't talk today. Y-O-U-R.
Y-O-U-R. You say it?
Y-O-U-R.
Good. I'm glad you're looking at it. What's this word?
Your.
Your. Then I could say the shirt is yours.
Yours.
Where would that be?
Y-O-U-R-S.
Y-O-U-R-S. How are these? These look very much the same, don't they? You, your, and yours. What's different about your and yours?
Well, you, your, and your.
What's
yours.
different about you and yours? What's the only difference? Yours has an S. What does it have?
Yours has an S.
That's right. These all are meaningfully related to each other. Okay.
Yes.
I could say this is our house. It's our house. Where would that be?
Our.
It belongs to us. It's our. It's right here.
Oh,
how do you spell our?
You.
O-U-R.
O-U-R.
How do you spell it?
O-U-R.
What's the word?
Our.
Right. And can you use it in a sentence?
Yeah.
Go ahead. I said this is our house. What could you say?
This is our. This is our table.
Sure. Good job. All right. How about the word for? Like this is for my mom.
And this is for us learning together.
This is for us learning together. Right. How would we spell that word for?
F-O-R.
F-O-R. What's that word?
For.
How about if I asked you, hey, do you have any shoes? Any shoes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Everyone has shoes.
How do you spell any?
A-N-Y.
What if I said, hey, do you have many shoes? First of all, you can answer me. Do you have many shoes?
Yes.
You do? How many do you have?
3.
Okay, that's more than one. Good. How do you spell many?
M-A-N-Y.
M-A-N-Y. Good. Last one. Where are we going after this?
Where are we going after this? Let's see. Where are
It's on this card. It's a verb to be. Yep. How do we spell it?
A-U-R. I mean A-R-E.
Yeah. What's the word? R.
R.
Good. Now I want you to notice something, Stella.
What?
This R and this R sound the same.
Yes.
It's our house.
It's our house.
But that means it belongs to us, which means it's this word.
Our.
Where are we going after this? Is this one.
We're
Okay.
going to school. I'm kidding.
Remember what it's called when two words sound the same, but they don't mean the same thing? What's it called when two words sound the same?
Synonym?
They're called homophones. What are they called?
Homophones.
Homophones, right. So R and R are actually often sound like homophones, but we have to understand what they mean in order to spell them right, don't we? Okay. Great work. Okay, let's see here. Bye.